So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to mute message on WhatsApp. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the WhatsApp app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. Now see, this is the inbox of your WhatsApp, and to mute a message you can simply tap on message. Then you will see the various options like delete, pin, mute, archive and many more. Then you should have to tap on mute option, which is available on the third option, which is at the top right corner of your screen. So tap on it. Then you will see the option of timing here for how many times you want to mute this chat. So it has been set as always, so I am tapping, or even you can change it like 8 hours, 1 week. So everything is done, then tap on OK. Now see, this message has been muted successfully in WhatsApp. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.